we're trying to build an SOP.
Yeah.
For the team? No, this is a club. So it's going to be organized different at an active duty installation. Some have to fall under CWR. So you guys fall under the Marine Corps?
MTCS.
Okay. So I'm retiring. I'm retiring this summer, so I want to make sure this team set when I leave. So my idea is I'm on my butt. So I put together a squared away SOP that I can hand to the next guy who's going to do this. He can just pick it up and run with it. I can copy that. Well, he's got my email address. If I ever put something like that together, I'll put something on it and go, hey, look,
and all the players
I got They're having fun and they're training and they don't even know it. So that's the way you do it.
The camis you were wearing, I thought you were like...
We all got to work at it.
Yeah, I see the red light. Yeah.
Push them on like the flashlight. But that's my